am going to discuss about what is pure mathematics and applied mathematics. Pure mathematicians are more concentrated in technique and try to prove correctly, and applied mathematicians are concentrated in problem solution. So, pure mathematics is the raw material, while applied math is produced good. So, without pure mathematics, I don't think anything. So, Albert Einstein told pure mathematics is its way, the poetry of logical ideas. Now, I am going to introduce the fundamental topic of pure mathematics. What is set? And pure mathematics depend on these topics. Forget everything you know about numbers. In fact, forget you even know what is number is. There is where mathematics start. Instead of math with number, but we will now think about math with thing. At first, we will introduce what is set in mathematics. Set is nothing but the collection of well-defined distinct objects is known as a set. What do you mean the well-defined? Well-defined collection is the what? The what well-defined refers to a specific property which makes it easy to identify whether the given object belongs to a set or not. Let's see some example. The set of even number, whole number between 1 and 11. It is well defined because it is possible to identify the exact member of the set. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. There is only one possible of the solution that fits this description. Have you understand why this is well defined? Let's see other example. The set of month in year. Why well defined? Because everybody knows what is the months in year. Have you understand? I hope my all viewers have understand what is the well defined. This is known as well defined set because this is something that you can easily see it. Now we see some example which is not well defined set. The collection of good students at museum is not a set. Why? What does it mean to good? Does the collection refer to past or present student? Also, does the museum refer to Kolkata, some other school, college, university, so on? It is not clear which students are member of this collection. Hence, the collection is not well defined. Now let's see what is the elements of the set. The different objects that from a set are called elements of the set. The elements of the set are written in any order and are not repeated. Elements are denoted by small letter. As for example, the collection of vowel in English alphabet. It is denoted the set by V and V equal to here A, E, I, O, U. Have you understand? What is the element of the set? Here both are distinct. This is the basic property of the set. And modern set theory is logically foundation for mathematics. Let's put the set theory on trial. The foundation of math, everything is built on the set theory. Alright, let's see. algebra, analysis, topology, arithmetic, geometry, combination, differential geometry, algebraic geometry, all are depends on the set theory. So all pure mathematics depends on the set theory. Without set theory we cannot say anything. So set theory is more important in pure mathematics. I hope my all viewers have understand what is the set theory.